I would like to introduce a dynamo which will help to convert all design ducts to fabrication parts. Select duct system. Select fabrication service and finally select the level. Click on Convert button. Now all the supply ducts in the selected level converted to fabrication part. Select the fabrication part and check the properties. Now we will convert return air ducts. Select return air in duct system, then select the appropriate fabrication service and finally select the level. Now all return air ducts converted. Please don't forget to install Data Shapes package prior to use this dynamo. Kindly check the description box for the link of this dynamo.